Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video we are going to see how to print a statement in Java or how to display output in Java. So for this you need to remember a basic statement, that is system.out.println. So by using this statement we are able to print anything in Java. Let us see how to be printed. System.out.println bracket. Inside bracket you want to write whatever the message you want to print in double quotes. Let us write here hello, that is system.out.println hello. By using this we are easily printed anything. Let us run this file and see the output. Yes, as you will see, hello is printed. So if you want to print any result, that is let us assume int is equal to 10. Now if you want to print a, so just after the message in println statement write plus and a. So by using, let us run this and check the result. So yes, as you are seeing, hello 10 is printed. So hope this till you understand, because this is very easy to understand. Now in Java there are two types of printing statement. First is system.out.println and second is system.out.print, just print, simple statement, that is system.out.print. Let us write hello here. So first we see println statement, so it is easy to understand. Let us write another system.out.println. Let us write here programming. Now let us run this. When you run this you see hello and programming both are printed. So what is the use of println statement? The use of println statement to print the statement to a new line. Each statement will print to a new line, and whatever the next output, that also will be printed on a new line. So this is the main use of println statement. So let us see the use of only simple print statement. So print, let us write another print statement. Yes, is missing here. System.out.print. Let us write here programming. So print is used for single line print statement. What if you want to print in a single line, so print statement is to be used. Let us see, hello and programming both are printed on a single line. So this is the main use of print statement. So hope you understand this difference between print statement and println statement. Let us run both, but let us write here one statement, system dot out dot println. By using println, just copy this, control C, and here we will write it by using print statement. Here also we will take only print, as we want to print all the content on a single line. So let us run this. Yes, now you are seeing this. By using println, hello and programming both are printed on a single on a multiple lines and on a new line. But by using only print statement, by using print, hello, programming, this will print on the same line. All the three statement will be prints on the same line. Hope you understand this concept. If you really like the video, subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you.